Want to learn computer science? Great! As the world becomes more technologically advanced, we need more and more computer scientists. That's where our website can help. The Computer Science website is filled with great tools, advice, and lessons to help you learn all about computer science. With an education in computer science, you open up your future options to high-paid jobs using technology, in loads of different types of jobs such as healthcare, retail, accounting, distribution, or just in a hardware or software company. To be good at computer science, you have to learn lots of information, and you have to think logically, to solve problems that people face. It is the art of using technology to solve real-world problems. Learning computer science can be really rewarding when you finally manage to solve someone's problem using technology, and that's why it is such a great career path. To get started on your journey to learning computer science, head on over to the Computer Science website to see the free tools and the courses that we offer. Thanks for watching.